Hi everyone, so this is 970 XT Gigabyte. It has the Gigabyte BIOS right now, and this is the X99. So everyone was complaining 970 XT is not working with the X99. One of my friends asked me to try the ASRock BIOS on it, so I'm gonna run it with the Gigabyte BIOS first, and it won't boot. Then when it fails, I will switch to ASRock BIOS. So it gives D6 error and it doesn't output anything. I'm gonna now try ASRock BIOS. So I switch the BIOS to ASRock. It's now in ASRock. Then start again. So it booted. It gives a picture. It's 970 XT running on ASRock BIOS. I will wait until it loads the driver. Okay, it's loaded the driver now. I will restart the GPU-Z. So you can see it's 970 XT. It got all the sensors working fine. Can even throw some benchmark here. And yeah, so that's it. That's the solution for 970 XT to run on X99 boards. BIOS flash. Thanks for watching. See you next time.